Let's talk about the living room. The living room is a big room in the house. Families relax there every day. There is a big sofa in the living room. The sofa is soft and comfortable. People take a nap on the sofa. Some people sit in an armchair. They read a newspaper there. There is a low table in the middle of the room. People put drinks and snacks on the table. A television stands against the wall. Families watch movies and shows together. The remote control is often on the sofa. Sometimes it is hard to find. There is a soft rug on the floor. The rug feels warm under your feet. Sunlight comes through the big window. Curtains cover the window at night. Some living rooms have a bookshelf. There are books, photos, and small plants on it. A lamp gives soft light in the evening. In Japan, some living rooms have tatami floors. Many homes have a low table and cushions. Guests drink tea in the living room. Friends come over on the weekend. In the evening, the family gathers there. The living room is a warm and happy place.